In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Shopify store after the free trial. So if you tried Shopify and you don't want to continue for whatever reason, you can delete your store. Now you can do that by signing into your account and then click on settings, which you can find at the bottom left corner. So click on settings and then you end up on this page. Now I like to go to search. You can browse for these as well, but it's easier to click on search and then just search for delete. Once you do that, you should actually find a direct link to delete your store. Let's see if we can actually find that. Okay, so resources right there, or Shopify admin. Let's click on account settings right there. Okay, here we are. So you can then scroll down and you can then click on sell or close. So go all the way down, store status, then click on sell or close, and then click on close store right there. All you need to do next is enter your current password to continue, click on confirm, and that's it. That's exactly how you can close your store or delete your store after the free trial. If you appreciate this video, this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.